Hanggang buksan ang isipan. Sa science o agham, tayo na sa sinusayaw. Buksan natin ang siyensya, buksan ang pag-iisip. Tayo'y likas na scientist.
Hi everyone, hope all are great. Today we're going to study about the importance of water and the water cycle. Are you ready? Let's begin. Keywords: water, universal solvent, surface water, evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Water and its importance. Water is a combination of hydrogen and oxygen. It is the most abundant liquid on Earth. It covers about 70% of the Earth's surface. Many life functions can only take place in the presence of water. Plants cannot make their own food without water. Water is a universal solvent. It can dissolve more materials than any other substance. There are sources of water. 1. Surface water is found on the Earth's surface. Examples: rainfall, melting snow, glaciers and ice caps, and river water. Streams. When water flows downstream due to gravity, it forms shallow grooves. Streams come together to form rivers. Lake. It is a body of fresh water totally surrounded by land. Lakes form in a large deep depressions in the Earth's crust. Example of surface water: this river or lakes, and melting snow. More examples: surface water, rainfall, and glaciers. So these are the examples of surface water. Okay. The second one is groundwater. Groundwater refers to the water absorbed by the earth. When water seeps further in the ground, it moves down until it reaches an aquifer. Aquifer is an underground rock layer where water is collected. Groundwater can be obtained through deep wells. If you dig down or drive a pipe down, you can get water. So this is the illustration of a groundwater, where you can see underneath the land there is water. Okay. Get it? What are the uses of water? Without water, the Earth would be a lifeless planet just like any other planet in the solar system. 1. Uses: water for personal use. The human body is made up of 2/3 water, so every person needs water to clean the body. 2. Water for household use. We need water to wash clothes, cooking, cleaning the house, washing dishes, and others. Next, water for agriculture use. Water is used for irrigation system to supply in the farm. Next one, water for industrial use. Every factory needs water to maintain industrial processes. Cars, automobiles, and other transportation need water. Okay, let's go on to the water cycle. The water cycle is the movement of water in different forms through the environment. The other term of this is hydrologic cycle. Factors that affect the occurrence of the water cycle: heat or temperature, pressure, and wind. So these are the processes of water cycle. Number 1, evaporation. The changing of liquid water into water vapor. When exposed to heat, water evaporates into the atmosphere. Water evaporates even at temperature below its boiling point. But at boiling point, the rate of evaporation is fast. Wind also contributes to water evaporation. Strong wind speed up evaporation. So this is the example of the illustration of evaporation. From sun, it was giving heat energy, then the water evaporates and rise up. And look at this cooking pot, and you can see it also there, process of evaporation. Okay, the second one is condensation. Condensation is the changing of water vapor into liquid form. During condensation, the air cools and water vapor in the air condenses into tiny droplets of water. The droplets form into clouds, and it shows like this. And this one. Okay, it was formed there in the clouds in the form of droplets. Number 3 is precipitation. Precipitation is any form of water suspended in air that falls to the ground. When the air can no longer hold the water it contains, water falls to the ground, precipitation, or as raindrops. Okay, there's different forms of precipitation. Rain, precipitation in liquid form, the most common form of precipitation. Snow, frozen form of precipitation. Sleet, frozen or partly frozen raindrops. Hail, precipitation in the form of pellets of ice and hard snow. Okay. 5. Drizzle, light rain or droplets of water with a diameter of about 0.5 millimeter or less. Alright. Which of these forms of precipitation did you experience in Philippines? Okay. Or in other countries? Which of these? Okay. We'll go on to the next examples. So these are the examples of precipitation. This is the sleet, hail, drizzle, and snow. All right. So this is the whole explanation of a water cycle. You can see it there from evaporation, the water evaporates, goes to the air, and it will goes process of condensation. After that, it will go to precipitation and it will go back to the earth or to the land in the form of rain, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's a cycle. Now, moving forward, there are ways to conserve water. 1. Water plants at night when evaporation rate is low. Next, when brushing teeth, use a glass instead of allowing water to flow continuously from the faucet. Next, fix any damaged pipe or water leak. Next one, wash the dishes using a basin or slow down the flow of water from the faucet while washing. And then, recycle water whenever possible. Laundry water or collected rainwater can be used to flush the toilet. Okay, hope to see you next time. Thanks for the time. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.